after the city where she was born, and the name that is remembered even today, Florence Nightingale. Limitations set for a female of a time. At that time, when a girl of her age would enjoy playing, laughing, dancing with each other, and dreaming of luxurious life, she could see pain even in animals. Yes, it was a normal day, but not for Florence. She found an injured puppy who was in pain, and her beautiful heart felt its pain. So she took it to her home and took care of it. This incident changed her life forever. From onwards, she believed that God called her into His service to serve humanity and to care to become a nurse. Life was not easy for Florence. Her dream to become a nurse was objected by her parents. At the time, nursing was not a respected profession. Every parent wanted children to be happy, and knowing how disrespectful her dream was, they refused her. Her long-lost dream, which had been deep intake in the core of her heart about a life which she decided to attempt training on nursing at Dionysus at Kaiserwerth in Germany. During her training, she found that patients died simply because hospital was not clean and patients were deprived of good food and hygienic environment. She continued her nursing service and was promoted as superintendent of nursing at the hospital in London. A war broke out. The Crimean War. More than 80,000 soldiers were injured and many died as the hospitals were hurriedly understaffed. Florence with pediatric nurses went to Scutari Hospital to serve injured soldiers, the soldiers that were screaming in pain. Even at night, she attended the wounded soldiers bed to bed, carrying a lamp, giving care to them, supporting them, and caring them. Florence in there was as a light of darkness. She focused on sanitation, safety, clean food without infection. For soldiers, she was a fairy, a living fairy who carried a lamp. And then named her the Lady with the Lamp. From the time of Crimean War, there was nobody in the back of Florence. She emerged to be famous and beloved person. Her name was written in holy letters and never to be forgotten even after 100 years from today. Yeah, it's only because of her the human eye are proud of what we are, a nurse. Thank you.